Assalamualaikum. I am Eman Shahid. Now I am going to tell you about natural resources of Pakistan and why I love my country Pakistan. Pakistan is one of countries in world with large number of natural resources involve coal, gas, copper, minerals, iron and aluminium. Pakistan is enriched with huge reserves of minerals covering an outcrop area of 60 million square kilometers. Rehodik is world's largest gold mine found in Pakistan. World's second largest mine is found in Pakistan in Kura. There are 92 known minerals, of which 52 are commercially used with a total production of 68.52 million metric ton per year. According to US Energy Information Administration, Pakistan may have over 9 billion barrels of petroleum oil. The highest grades of chromite ores is available in Balochistan. On the other hand, Pakistan have also many natural resources like water, fishing, animal husbandry. On the other hand, according to economically condition, Pakistan have have many natural resources like fruit, vegetables, wheat, milk, meat, gold, population, agriculture. We have four weathers. Number one, winter. Number two, autumn. Number three, spring. Number four, summer. On other hand, Pakistan has many largest mountains in the world. The K2 is world's second largest mountain found in Pakistan. Why I love Pakistan? I love Pakistan because I was born here. We have many famous people, scientists, poets, डॉक्टर सही मुकाम हासिल करने के लिए खिदमत, तकलीफ और कुर्बानी बुनियादी तकाजे हैं. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. आई लव माई कंट्री पाकिस्तान. थैंक यू.